Hey friends, if you wish to file hidden files on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Open the File Explorer and then you can click on View, select Show, and then check the box associated with hidden files. Now you will be able to check hidden files everywhere. Okay, you can check hidden files everywhere, and if you search it on the Windows search bar, let us say that I search for this video here, so I will still be able to find it here. This is how you can search for any hidden file on your Windows computer. And if you wish to hide them again, click on View once again in the File Explorer, click on Show, and uncheck this box associated with hidden files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.